one of the things that the designation as a region of gastronomy brings to an area like Galway is to show how deep-rooted both its culinary history and its hospitality cultures are.
It's actually a community initiative led by the food community of Galway and the West of Ireland. So this is a fantastic opportunity to really demonstrate what it is we do in Galway as a community, as a collective.
It makes us very proud to be Galway producers, and the nomination gives food producers an identity in the West of Ireland.
It gives everyone here confidence as well in what they do, that we got that nod.
It's going to shine a spotlight on how brilliant the ingredients are in the West of Ireland.
It's bringing together that wonderful taste of the West.
It's all about supporting our local producers based in Galway, both in the city and in the county.
It means connecting to farmers, connection to customers, connection to each other, new ideas. It means collaboration.
We've just made a local collaboration with a Galway hooker who've launched a honey beer, which the honey comes from Sliwacty honey, and I've made a dark chocolate with a honey beer truffle filling.
If we talk about cultural diversity, it's such an exciting time for the food culture. You know, we all come from somewhere, but Galway's our home.
Gastronomy means culture. Gastronomy is about tourism. Gastronomy is about education. And more importantly, gastronomy is about eating together as a family. It's about sharing, it's about having fun.
The sound that marks Galway as one of the European regions of gastronomy.
The European Region of Gastronomy has put a shape on the stone walls and the grass is green in Galway. That's what we have here, that's where we produce our food. It gives our food a unique, distinctive taste. And the European Region of Gastronomy has allowed us to sell that message all over the world.
When you come here, things that you find here, you actually won't find them anywhere else in the world. They are unique to here, and we can trace them right back through this telescope of time and explore their value. And to me, that's the power of the designation of the gastronomic region.